We were initially looking for a boondock spot, and then it turned into looking for a place to not get stuck. And
we are in Moab, mud bogging, basically, in four-wheel drive by accident. Just trying to keep the momentum through the mud.
what happens every time we slow down?
We spin.
So we got lucky because this road, if we slow down, we seem to sink in about 3 to 4 inches with all 4 wheels spinning.
Yeah, so it looks like gravel. But it's gravel on top of clay, red mud.
We're getting close.
I got this.
Close to the highway. This was what, 3 miles? 3 miles of?
Don't ask me. Well, pavement. I did it. So that's snow. And we were coming out of Salt Lake after getting our new refrigerator and trying to avoid